Breaking news. Amazon, one of the world's largest companies, just made a huge announcement. If you hold any Amazon stock, you do not want to miss out on this announcement. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Masterpiece Finance. We have breaking news that Amazon will be having a 20-for-1 stock split with a $10 billion share buyback program. I'm sure you've all heard of Amazon, but in case you haven't, Amazon is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It's one of the big 5 American tech companies, which include Alphabet, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Now, for those of you that don't know what a stock split is, in simple terms, a stock split is when a company divides up its shares to lower the price and increase the overall number of shares available. This will allow for investors who cannot afford the stock right now to buy into the stock at a lower price. Now, the overall stock value wouldn't change. The stock would just be split up into smaller pieces instead of being priced as a whole. Think of a stock as a cake. When you first buy a cake, it's in one piece, but you can also slice up the cake into many different pieces. Even if you slice up the cake into many pieces, the overall amount of cake that you have won't change. A stock split is exactly the same. Let's say you hold one share of a stock priced at $2,000. The company then decides to do a 20-for-1 stock split, so that one share worth $2,000 will be divided into 20 shares, and each share would be worth $100. It's as simple as that. Now, Amazon also announced that they would be buying back $10 billion worth of their own shares. The question is, why? Companies usually buy back shares for 3 main reasons. Stock buybacks usually help companies consolidate ownership. When there's market pessimism, companies usually buy back shares to increase equity value. And lastly, buybacks can make companies look more financially secure, which will ultimately attract more investors. Now, let's dive a little bit into the news on why this stock split is happening. Amazon announced that a stock split will be happening because the stock was the worst performer out of all the tech companies last year, and in 2022, the stock is down around 16% year to date. Amazon also reported its slowest rate of growth for any quarter since 2001. Amazon also announced that they decided on this stock split because they wanted to attract more investors and gave more opportunity for investors who couldn't invest before to invest in the stock. Historically, there have been 4 previous stock splits for Amazon since its IPO. Fun fact, Amazon shares are up 4,300% since its last stock split. Now let's dive into some benefits of a stock split. The first benefit of a stock split is that it gives more opportunity for retail investors like you and me to buy into the stock and invest in the company. This is perfect for people who couldn't afford the share price or couldn't justify paying such a high price for the stock beforehand. The second benefit is that a stock split increases the trading activity for a stock, which usually leads to the price increasing. The third benefit is that it improves liquidity, which makes it so much easier to buy and sell shares. Personally, as a long-term investor, Amazon is a company that I see being around for a long time. I will personally be buying more shares myself as I love the fundamentals of the company and I see massive potential for growth in the long term. This is my personal opinion, so please do your own research before making any financial decision. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I make content on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and personal growth. If you enjoyed today's video, please smash the like button and subscribe for more future content as I have a lot of videos planned that are coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock that full potential. Catch you in the next video. Peace.